Hi, I'm Will, and it's hotter than July, and I'm going to show you 4 great ways to cool down with some popsicle recipes here on the Geezer Guide to Better Living. The first popsicle we're going to make, all you need is an avocado and a packet of instant chocolate. In the processor, you want to put in the avocado. After that, you're going to put 1/2 cup of coconut milk. If you're not on the diet, you can use vanilla yogurt. I use a breakfast chocolate because it's thicker and it has more vitamins and minerals and it's more filling. I'm going to add another 1/2 cup of coconut milk. I'm putting it in between the dry product so that it won't clump. And you can blend this until it's smooth. Now I'm going to distribute the contents evenly throughout each of the molds. A little trick that I do at the end to make sure that the popsicle stick stays in is I put a little water in the container and I swish it around and add it at the very end. Because it's lighter, it stays at the bottom, which holds the popsicle in the stick better. The next popsicle I'll be making is going to be a cran apple popsicle. So all you need is some cranberry juice and some diced apples in your process. Okay, I'm going to start off with a 1.5 cups of cranberry juice, and I'm going to add the diced apple to it. And we're going to blend it, but not till it's smooth. We want it to be just a little bit pulpy. And then you're going to distribute it in between the molds. If you want this to be smooth, you can add yogurt or coconut milk and it'll be smooth also. But I didn't want to make all smooth popsicles. If you're an old schooler, you'll want to leave out the yogurt and the coconut milk because this flavor will make you remember those times when we used to call them honey drippers and sugar bears and frozen cups. This one is going to be really good. All you need is banana and nutmeg. First, you want to wet the inside of the mold and sprinkle the nutmeg and shake it so that it will adhere to the mold. Okay, while that is air drying, you're going to mix a 1/2 cup of pineapple juice to a cup of coconut milk. You're going to add a whole banana and you're going to blend it, and you want this to be smooth, or you can do it chunky. It depends on what you prefer. Pour it slow so that it does not disturb the nutmeg, because you want it to be along the whole pop when you pull it out. You're going to drop a couple of pieces of pineapple in the bottom just for a garnish. You can do the little trick by adding a little water to the ingredient and pouring it at the top so the stick will stay in, because the water down portion will be harder and it will hold the stick a lot better. And for the last popsicle, we're going to make it really savory with lemon and pineapple. It's going to be a pineapple lemon type of sorbet, and we're going to sweeten it a little bit with stevia. Add 3 ounces of lemon juice to your tumbler, and we're going to do the same as we did with the other pop. We're going to add as a garnish a couple of pineapple chunks to the bottom. We're going to add a little bit of stevia. We don't want too much sugar because we want it to be hard. And we're going to add a cup of pineapple. Mix that and distribute it through the mold. I believe due to the acid, this mixture was a little more frothy, so I had to do it slower to give it a chance to settle. Once I have done all the pops, I place them in the freezer, and I'll come back and I'll show you how they came out in a few hours. Popsicles freeze in the freezer for about 3 to 4 hours, and then you run a little hot water over them to make it loosen, and you pop it out, and this is what you get. Delicious. As always, I thank you for watching my videos, and don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. And if you get a chance, will you please check out my art website at buildabarber.popsicles.com. Thanks again.